Welcome to the class From Zero to Watercolor Hero. I'm Ksenia Anis, I'm a water media artist, and I will be teaching this class. This class is for those just beginning their watercolor journey and for those who already started but may need a more solid foundation and fundamentals. I hope you will learn from this course the basic techniques and theory of watercolor painting. We will talk about the materials you will need: paper, brushes, paint, and palette. I will cover arranging your workspace and preparing your materials for use. I will also explain the process of planning a painting, choosing the colors for it, and mixing them. I will show you techniques for each brush and the best ways to handle them. We will delve into paint application techniques and also talk about making changes and corrections. I will also suggest some exercises for practicing the skills that you will acquire in this class. Our subjects will be flowers because they're popular, they're fun to paint, and they're beautiful. We will also take a look at the general principles of the painter's magic. You will learn how to create the illusion of volume and space on a flat sheet of paper. I will teach you how to make your paintings appeal to viewers through proper composition, color harmony, and design. In other words, this class will give you a solid base to enjoy watercolors as well as painting in general. The watercolors I paint are a combination of free-flowing passages and more precise developed details. I use vivid saturated colors to create realistic but effortless and loosely painted pieces. It is perhaps a more painterly style than illustration or botanical watercolors. If you're interested in learning to paint in this realistic and loose style, this class is for you. Let's get started.